In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a cart timer app on Shopify. A cart timer is a great way to create urgency and encourage shoppers to complete their purchase before their cart expires. I'll walk you through the full setup, from installing the app to checking that it appears correctly in your store. First, head over to your Shopify admin. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click on it, choose Apps from the drop-down, and then type Essential Countdown Timer. In the search results, look for the Essential Countdown Timer bar app and install it. Follow the on-screen installation prompts until the app finishes setting up and brings you to its dashboard. Once you're in the app dashboard, click on Open Theme Settings. This will take you into your online store theme editor. On the left-hand side, below the theme settings icon, click on App Embeds. Use the search bar there if you need to, and find the countdown timer embed. Toggle it on to activate it in your theme, then click Save in the top right corner of the editor. After saving, go back to the left panel and click Manage App, which will return you to the app dashboard. Now you're ready to create your actual cart timer. Click Create a New Timer. You'll be asked to choose a timer type, such as Product Page, Top or Bottom Bar, Landing Page, Cart Page, or Email Timer. Since we want the timer inside the cart, select Cart Timer. As you go through the options, keep an eye on the preview on the right side so you can see your changes in real time. Give your countdown a name. This is just for you, so choose something descriptive. Then edit the title text that shoppers will see. Wherever you want the actual countdown numbers to appear, make sure you include the placeholder /timer. Next, set how long the timer should run in minutes. Choose what happens when the countdown ends. You can restart the countdown, hide the timer for the buyer, or even clear all items from the cart. Click Continue to Design. Here you can choose a template style, pick a background type, adjust borders and spacing, and select fonts and colors for both the title and the timer. When you're happy, click Continue to Placement. Decide where it should show in the cart and whether to display it worldwide or only in certain countries. Finally, click the Publish button at the top right of the dashboard. To confirm everything is working, go back to your Shopify admin, hover over Online Store, and click the eye icon to preview. Add a product to your cart, open the cart, and check that your timer appears exactly as you set it up.